Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will review the break-even feature. To access the break-even feature, the first thing we need is to have the bracket orders turned on. In the settings on the left-hand side, on the tabs on the top, choose Risk Settings. Enter your risk settings for your risk and your profit. Be sure that automatically apply risk and profit brackets to new position is selected, and then be sure to click Save. Now on our platform, the break-even button will show next to the position when there is an active position on and it is in profit. It will show on the DOM and it will show on the order panel in the same location. So let's place a trade. Let's just pick a long direction. We have our bracket orders, $200 profit, $100 risk. It's currently negative, so we see the break-even feature. The button is here, but it is not active. We are unable to move our stop to break even while in a negative P&L. So as this rises, the break-even feature will become available, and we will be able to adjust our stop with one click. Currently at -5. Let's buy into another position so we can see this feature. I'm going to close this, reset, -5. We're waiting for it to come into profit, and there is our break-even feature. Now that it's highlighted, we are in slight profit. Click break-even, and we will see that the stop dropped right to where our entry was, and we immediately got that filled. This has been a review of the break-even feature.